Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how an alarm system works, step by step. First, the alarm system starts with sensors monitoring important entry points. Door sensors, window sensors, motion sensors, and glass break sensors are placed around the protected area to watch for unusual movement, forced entry, or broken glass. Next, the user arms the system before leaving the building, going to sleep, or securing the area. This can be done using a keypad, smart panel, key fob, or mobile app. Once the system is armed, it becomes ready to detect any unauthorized activity. After that, detection happens when something unusual occurs. For example, if a door opens, a window is broken, or motion is detected inside the protected zone, the sensor immediately sends a trigger signal to the control panel. Then, the control panel receives the signal and acts as the brain of the alarm system. It checks whether the system is armed, identifies which sensor was triggered, and decides what type of alert or response is needed. As a result, the siren and warning alerts activate. A loud siren sounds, flashing lights may turn on, and the system warns intruders while also alerting people nearby that there may be a security problem. Next, the alarm signal is sent to a mobile app or monitoring center. The system can send notifications through Wi-Fi, internet, or cellular network so the owner or security team can quickly know what happened and where the alert came from. After receiving the alert, the user or security staff responds. The user may check the notification on the phone, while a professional monitoring team can verify the event and contact emergency services if required. Finally, the event is logged and the system can be reset. The alarm history records details such as the time, triggered sensor, notification status, and response action. After the situation is checked, the system can be disarmed, reset, and armed again for continued protection. Overall, the main parts of an alarm system include sensors, control panel, keypad or smart panel, siren, power supply or battery backup, Wi-Fi or cellular communicator, mobile app, and monitoring service. Together, these parts help detect intruders, send fast alerts, provide 24/7 protection, and give peace of mind for homes and businesses. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.